Okay, to set the time, go to set, push this button here, and that sets the minute. So to set the minutes up, push the up button. To set the minutes down, push the down button. Now that sets the time. Now to set the hour, you're going to want the minutes to go faster. You see, you just push and hold down the button, and that's how the hour gets set as well. And to set the hour down, press and hold down the down button. Now to set the alarm, it's on time right now, which we're currently setting. Go to alarm using the button here, select alarm, and using the up button and the down button is how you set the alarm. So it goes to AM once and went past down to 11 o'clock, and that is the alarm icon right there, so that means the alarm is on. There's dual time, so you can select that option right there. And that's how the alarm sounds. To activate the light, using the button, go to light and then push the button in, and you can see the light go on. So there you go. This was an instructional tutorial of the Seiko Quartz alarm clock. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.